Would like to see how I got this color in my hair, please stay tuned and I will show you step by step how I did it. Hey you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, go ahead and like, and also press that bell so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. As you can tell by the title, I dyed my hair. I don't know if you can see it, you know. How do you like? I did like a skunk stripe, one of those. I've done one before, but I kind of wanted to put some color to it. I really wasn't going for like the reddish. I was actually going for the copper. I also wanted to flat iron my hair so that you can really see the color. Sometimes you can't see it if my hair is wet and curly and with other products in it. So I wanted to flat iron my hair for y'all so that you can see the color. Okay, the two products I'm using to dye my hair is I'm using a cream developer in the volume 40. You can use any brand, and I'm also using the color Brilliance Ion Permanent Intense Red. All right, please don't be upset with me. The clip that I mixed both of the products got destroyed during the downloading process, so I could not show you guys how I mixed that, but just look off the instructions and it will tell you exactly how to mix those two items. As you can see, I am showing you the section that I am going to dye. This is the only part of my hair that I'm going to dye. Mistake number one was putting the dye on my roots. By the time I realized I did that, I don't know, I was just rushing and just doing stuff, and by the time I realized, it was just kind of too late. But do not start with your roots, because your roots process faster than the rest of your hair, so meaning it's going to get brighter and it's not going to be even all the way down. All right, right now I'm just making sure every strand is coated and just hoping that it processes fine. Now I rinsed it all out. As you can see, it is very, very bright at the roots, which I figured, but you know, it's okay. I can work with this. Now I'm just going to style my hair. I am blow drying it right now. I love to flat iron my hair after I dye it because I can really see the true color of it without it being wet or full of products. So earlier in the video when I talked about I wasn't really going for the red, it was because I was at the Sally store and the hair that I was looking at was like a ginger color, but I must have grabbed the wrong box up at the top, or they had it in the wrong area and I didn't double check and I ended up with intense red. But this color is still cute, so I just went ahead and went with it. Alright, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and also hit that bell so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. Also comment down below and tell me what you think about this color.
Not true. 'cause it was dry.